A batch of 200 light globes are tested. The batch is considered unsatisfactory if more than 15% of globes burn for less than 1,000 hours. The results of the test are in the table below. Determine if the batch is unsatisfactory. So what we want to look at is there's two ways. You're either going to see if less globes are burning for less than 15, or we're going to see if more than 85% of globes burn for more than 1,000 hours. Okay, so we're going to start with relative frequency, and the relative frequency will be the number of times, the number of successful events divided by the number of trials. Now, if we are looking at this and our benchmark is 15%, it means that we look at how many burn for less than 1,000 hours. So those burning less than 1,000 hours will be less than 1,000 hours is everything from here upwards. So the number of successful events in this case will be actually in the sense of what we're doing, unsuccessful events. In other words, if we look at less than 1,000, it's all of this. And that needs to be less than 15% to be satisfactory batch. If I add that up, so it's 15 plus 12 plus 4, divide by the number of trials, it is 200 light bulbs. That gives us a total of 31 out of 200. As a percentage, that gives us 0.155, which equals 15.5%. If I go back to what they say, is they say a batch is considered unsatisfactory if more than 15% of the globes burn for less. What we can see here is that 15.5 burned for 1,000 hours or less. So this means, and you have to answer the question, therefore, this batch is unsatisfactory. And why do you say so? You still have to make the statement, because 15.5 is greater than 15%. That is the reason.